We are looking for the timesheet against each and every project. For that we need to go to main menu, timesheet. There we have a timesheet, my current timesheet. So I have to create a timesheet of that. So I have to create a particular employee's timesheet. So we have to load each and every employee's timesheet with a particular period. For example, May 1st to May 8th, 1 week. And I can mention different project for that particular period. For example, fit out the project expose 2020, then I am putting another project, saving that one. If I put load, automatically for that particular employees, what are the project in this period, this will come over here. There we need to select the hourly wise, how many hours they have worked. We have to mention for that particular employees. For example, 8, I'm putting 8, 7, 9, 5, 8, 10. So if I saving this one, load OT hours, I'm putting that one. So it will be showing as a this project there is 8 working days he worked, and he worked for 8 days for the next project also, and the OT hours and the holiday OTs will be calculating based on the days we mention in the there is a Friday will be there automatically. Friday holiday 17 hours will be treating as a full day holiday OT hours, and other than that one automatically OT hours will come. This is based on the company rules we can define, and it will be booked against each and every project for the particular employees. Then I need to submit to the manager, and the manager has to approve or refuse for this particular employee's details. If I approve this one, this is for the employee 4. So if I am coming back to the project, I have a timesheet screen there. If I click there, I can view all the timesheet entries against this particular project. If I do group by employee, I can see employee 3 have 10 days timesheet. There is a 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 10 days the timesheet is entered, and the employee 4 there is only 8 days, and these many hours is booked for this particular for particular employee for this particular project. So timesheet wise how many hours they worked, I can clearly see each and every project. There is 133 hours is booked for this particular project. Employee wise means there is an employee 3 will be worked 69 hours, and employee 4 is worked for 64 hours also. So these things I can see in the cost and revenue also. If I check the cost and revenue, automatically cost and revenue part will come here only income and expenses. If I remove income and expenses, this will come the timesheet entries also. How the timesheet entries is coming, if I check the employee master, we have an option in the employee master HR settings. There is a timesheet cost per hour. If I mention each employees per cost hours, automatically this will be multiplied with the hours, and that much value will be booked against each and every project. So if I do a group by employee, I can see that one. See employee 3, maybe employee 3 I didn't book the per hour cost, that's why it is coming as a 0. But if I check in the employee 4, there is a 10 hours will be his per hour charge. So 10 into 10 100, 8 into 10 80, 9 into 10 90, like that. There is a 64 hours, so that means 640 dirhams is consumed for this particular project. So it will be reduced from our expenses, where I mean the total income value. There is a 25,000 invoices has done, but these many hours will be consumed for the labors, and these many consumed for the materials also. If I check the financial accounts, I can see that one sale amount will be 25,000, and the electrical item I have booked for 480. 480 means for the electrical item purchased 480 dirhams I consumed. Fire alarm I consumed 250. Firefighting they consumed 1200, and 640 will be the employee cost. So like this, plus and minus, we will be getting exactly the cost of that particular project itself. So in short, if you taking a project, there is so many buttons it is coming. Budgeted means this is a budgeted value with the actual amount will come over here. Timesheet means actual hours is booked. Each and every employees will come over here. Employee related informations will come over here. Sales order means that is a purely invoices oriented process will come over there. And there is a material request means what are the materials we booked for that particular um, project. And purchases means what are the purchases RFQ we have done for that particular this one. And overall we have a cost and revenue for that particular project. We can see income and expenses plus cost value plus labor cost hours is also. So whether this project will be uh, profitable or the loss, we can do group by month, so we can get the month wise. This is only May, so everything is coming in the May only. If it is a multiple month, so month wise how much we consumed, how much we invoiced, all the details will come in cost and revenue. So like this, we will be getting an overall idea of each and every project one by one. And one more thing, we can do an attachment for the project. If you have any um, attachment, if you want to do, we can do an attachment of particular project. You can do that one also. So automatically all the attachment details will come from the project. If you have project plan or something, we can do that one also here. And there is an active or archive button will be there. That means if you want to not visible this project, we can do an archive also. And one more important things will be project status. We need to have a progress, completed, cancelled. If you have in the progress, so we can do a progress stages. So we can do a group by how many do project will be in the ongoing project will be there. We can do a project status wise this one project status wise. So we can see draft will be this progress only one, and undefined means it is not mentioned, this is not updated. So completed means we can do a completed also. So like this we will be getting overall project details from the project module itself. Okay, thank you.